this video, I'm going to work out an individual limit. We're going to look at the limit as x approaches 0 of 2 times the quantity cosine x minus 1 all over 3x. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at that 2/3, and I'm going to pull it out separately so that I can see a trig, a pretty common trig identity on the inside of this limit. So I'm going to have the limit as x approaches 0, and then I want to pull out the 2/3, and then times cosine x minus 1 all over x. If I separate this, then I can clearly see that this cosine x minus 1 all over x is a limit that we know. The product of the limits means that I can take each of them individually here, so I could add another step and do the limit as x approaches 0 of 2/3, and then times the limit as x approaches 0 of that cosine x minus 1 all over x. We know that this limit is 0, and the limit of a constant is the constant, so 2/3 times 0 is going to give me an overall limit of 0. Definitely, thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, don't forget to share with your friends so that they can benefit too, and subscribe to the channel and turn those notifications on. Thanks.